Shout outs to everybody at Dope Ports, and I believe it's called Flick It. Hold on, let me check the IG right fast. Hold on. Kind of should have had this ahead of time, right? You know me. Hold on. Dope Ports. Kick It, Flick It. So shout out to Dope Ports and Kick It, Flick It. Shout out to everybody at Dope Ports and Kick It, Flick It.
Take two.
What's going on, y'all? It's your man's Everyday J from Shot Heavy Multimedia, and I am here today. We are at the Dope Ports Photo Walk. Yes, Dope Ports Photo Walk here in Wynwood, Miami. And we're gonna be going around taking some photos today. I'm gonna do a little bit of vlogging. I got my girl Mindy with me today from Mindy Cruise Photography. We're gonna be out here taking some pictures. Shout out to everybody at Dope Ports and Kick It, Flick It. So today we're gonna be out here doing a little bit of vlogging, doing a little bit of photo taking on our photo walk here in Miami, Wynwood neighborhood. Let's get it, y'all. In the white, okay, this is dedication.
It is.
Rooted Activewear is a black-owned clothing design company inspired by, but not limited to, the Christian faith. Rooted Activewear provides a comfortable and reliable product regardless of your activity of choice, gender, and fits most sizes. Let the folks over at Rooted Activewear know Shot Heavy Multimedia sent you by using promo code HEAVY10 at checkout and enjoy your 10% store-wide discount.
Mindy Mo, how you feeling out here? And we got tour guides too. Khadijah.
Tour guide number one.
Kim. Tour guide number two. Let's go, Kim. Yeah. Let's go, Kim. Let's go, Kim.
pictures. I like taking more portraits, more people.
Me too. That's why I didn't. I'm like, man, I need humans. I need subjects. All right, y'all. We are here at Super Blue. About to go to some art exhibits and check out a few things. Still in Miami. We didn't get much vlogging done yesterday because things did not go the way we thought they were. But shout out to Dope Ports either way. Kick it, flick it. Shout out. But yeah, it's day 2 in Miami. I'm gonna try to get some more stuff for y'all. And rock with us while we're here at Super Blue. Going through these art exhibits. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Any chance I get.